The entire process was very, very beautiful. It was captivating, and I was like, what? They should just take this bare face from here to there. What's up, what's up, what's up? Your morning, your hello, you're sleeping, you better wake up. Welcome back to Delisha Life and Travel. Welcome back to Delisha TV, all things Liberia. If it is your first time here, I just want to say welcome. And if you're a returning subscriber, yeah, y'all know me, I'm a rapper. So most of the things that I do, y'all see my hand gestures going like this in my head, everything. I can sit in one place, you're sorry. So if you're a returning subscriber, I just want to say welcome back and thank you so much for the tireless support. Thank you for the support always. I really do appreciate you guys. You guys make me do what I do. Without ya, that's it. So thanks so much. In today's video, I am going to be reviewing my makeup products that I received. Remember, I did a video before talking about some makeup products that I received, from China. Now, I wanted to venture into the whole makeup business, and as someone who didn't like makeup at all, yeah, let me say didn't, because now, I'm trying to get into it. And there's something that actually made me to want to do this, because as a creative person, as a creative mind, there was a time that I sat around someone and I saw this girl do a makeup. Man, that thing was very beautiful. The entire process was very, very beautiful. It was captivating, and I was like, what? They should just take this bare face from here to there. I was so it was mind-blowing. Makeup artists are actually supposed to be appreciated. This is an art. Can you imagine taking a bare face like mine? I'm not saying it's not beautiful. It is beautiful. I love natural look, but it's something very beautiful, creative. Seeing someone take this bare face, so painting it, creating something on it, and it transforms into something else that comes out beautifully also. Is that part of the art that really caught my attention? And then I decided to get into it to see how it's like. But I've realized that it's not an easy thing as we see or may think. Now, the products that I used when I came to Liberia, I realized that they were kind of cakey or maybe breaking out on my face. And when I started to sweat, and I dab it or wipe it out, they were sticking all up on the tissue or the towel that I was using. So I told myself, okay, if I'm about to get into this thing, I need to firsthand experience, learn about these products by myself to know what I'm giving my clients out there. Because for me, customer service is everything. I want to be a part of the journey, a part of everything that I put out. So I got in contact with this company in China, and I told them I want first class, good quality, first grade products. So these are the products that I'm going to put out there on the market. So, but first, I needed to experience everything for myself. So they sent me my, let's say trial box, the ones that I sent for, and the Richmond that was in my previous video. So today I'm here to do a review on each one of them. I will be showing them out actually. So yeah, I know I not talk too much. When I'm doing the makeup, I won't talk anything. So, and the first box that I have in my hand is, I don't know if you can see this. How the people can do this thing? The Velvet Loose Powder. So I've opened these boxes because I didn't even have any of these things for myself. So since they came, I've been using them. So let me take it out of the. So it's like this. The Velvet Loose Powder. It's like this. Starway is all Starway brand. Yeah, so this is my brand. Starway. This is the Velvet Loose Powder. Like I said, I've started to use them already. I mean, beautifully packaged. Like the girl who came over to help me with my makeup, she saw this stuff. She was like, wow, this is amazing, because she does makeup. And what do I have here? I have the Velvet Long Lasting Gloss, Lip Gloss, the Velvet long-lasting lip gloss. Man, how do I show this thing with all this light that's going on? But anyways, yeah, man. Yeah. So this is it. This is how it looks like. Actually beautiful. I've used it before. So like I said, I will use it, you know, in the makeup that I will be doing later. And this one is this is the liquid concealer. Yeah, so this is how it looks. I don't even know how to. So this is it. It's a liquid concealer. Okay. And I have here what? The liquid eyeliner. The liquid eyeliner. Yeah, so it looks like this. I just love the packaging of these things. They're so cool. Okay, so this is how it looks. Yeah. So I'm still learning how to do this makeup thing. I'm not going to go overboard with the makeup even when I'm, you know, using the net. Okay, this is the coverage foundation. I think they say full coverage foundation, something. Coverage foundation. Okay, so it's in this can. And like I said, I've used these things, so they open up a little bit. So these are all Starway brand. Yeah, I'm a star. So therefore, if you use Starway brand, also you are a star. You feel like a star. So this is how it looks like. And yeah, we also have the diamond powder. This one I have not even tried to use because I don't even know. I don't know how to use it. Let me take it out of the box. I think I should just be taking them out of the boxes. So this is it. Oh, this looks so shiny. I know that when I learn to use these things, my face is going to look real good in this little bottle. And don't worry, they will be very, very affordable prices. This one is the makeup sealant. Trust me when I tell you, they want to stay 40 and I don't even know where yet, but how to use it. I'm still fighting on it because I'm like, I thought it said sealant as something that's supposed to maybe, you know, they have this water that you use after you do the makeup. I thought it was it, but it came and it was like this, and then my homegirl told me no, this one you use it differently. But it's so good, like everything feels so good, great smell. Yeah, did I show the bottle good? So this is how it looks. Velvet matte lipstick. But I have a lipstick here that I have not even used. What is it? Man, let me just be taking these things out of the boxes. I'm sorry. Oh, okay, so this is it. Ooh. Ooh. This looks so beautiful. Okay. Uh-huh. I get that. I don't even know. It feels so good. Still there. And this one says the eyeshadow powder. The eyeshadow powder. Yeah, I'm still figuring out how to use this one. Yeah, but some of them, you know, I've gotten the hang of some of them though. This one, the 3D highlighter. The 3D highlighter drops. 3D highlighter drops. Okay, let's take it out of the pack. So this is how it looks. Aha. Velvet Matte Foundation. Velvet Matte Foundation. Okay. This is how it looks. Yeah. So I mean, you will have all of your colors there. You just need to pick the number online on the online shop and tell me which one, and you have them. This is the Super Volume Mascara. I love mascara. I really love mascara. You know, it just gives the eye some definition. I love it a lot. I want to start putting it on right now. Yeah, and we also have, what is this? Eyebrow mascara, yo. So this was my first time knowing that they even had eyebrow mascara. Eyebrow or eyebrows? Which one? Okay, eyebrow mascara. So this is how it looks. It's in this. So when I saw it first, I was like, well, what did they want for again? Because you know they have this part of the makeup, you know, stuff is among the makeup brushes that you just use to set the eyebrows, eyebrow. Don't forgive me on this word. So when I saw this, I was like, but I don't want to be having liquid on it again. And then on YouTube, I saw it's a big thing. Everyone is using it now. And it's really cool. And man, the eyebrow, to draw the eyebrow is one of the most difficult things, man. We have the Revival Cleansing Balm. The Revival Cleansing Balm. Yeah, so you know how you put the makeup on and then you have to go maybe wipe it off or so, or wash it, you know. So you can just take some of this, put a little amount on your hand, you know, after you get back home. I mean, you want to wash it out or cleanse it or clean it, whichever. Put it there, rub it on it, you know. Take your paper towel and clean it, wipe it off. Everything is gone. And after, you can just put some water on your face if you want to, because me, it's like I love water so much, so I have to put water on my face even after everything. But this really cleanses, it cleanses everything. So, and this is the most beautiful. Okay, everything is beautiful, but I just love this one. It says yes, starry eyes. What a makeup with all makeup, you know, eyeshadow. 20 colors eyeshadow palette. Starry eyes. So this is it. Let me take it out of the box. Ooh, the packaging, man. The packaging is beautiful. The packaging. Down with the packaging. Come on. So it's in this little stuff also. Ooh, can y'all see this? It's so beautiful. My light is messing with me. I don't know how to hold this thing so you can see it. Yeah. Okay, let's open it up. Beautiful colors. Yeah, so this is the last piece that I have for now. Like I said, I'm not too big on makeup, so I didn't take too many, you know, put in for too many stuff, but the rest are on the way. So yeah, this was my review on my makeup products. So you can stop by anytime, hit me up. And once you know everything is out there, I will also get back to the public. But in the meantime, you can hit me up in my DM, you know, on Facebook, Wale Equewood, DJ Lisha. Check out these handles on Instagram, Lisha, D_Lisha_Queen. So you can just send me a message on any of these platforms. On TikTok, I'm at The Real Delisha. Send me a message on any of these platforms, you know, and yes, we can take it from there. But that's it for the makeup products and the review. Thank you. Bye-bye. Seshies, Ajen. Now let's get into the makeup itself. Wow.